Alright guys, so here's how to hide files and folders on Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, as you can see, here is a folder that I want to hide. Alright, so how we can hide that is quite simple. We need to select this one and then right click on it and then simply go with the properties. Simply go with that and the file folder properties is turned on. Now you need to select this hidden and simply tap on apply and tap on OK. As you can see, now the file is hidden. Then how you can hide a file like this one? It's quite simple. Again, right click on your mouse and then go to the properties and again go with the hidden and hit apply, and that's how you can hide a file as well. Now if you want to unhide that, you can do that as well. We need to first go to the file explorer for that and then go with the desktop, as I have hidden the file for the desktop, so I will go with the desktop and then you need to tap on this view and then simply go with the show and then select these hidden items. If you turn this on, and now if we go back, and as you can see, we got the hidden files right over here. So if you want to unhide them, simply select that, right click on your mouse, again go to the properties and simply untick the hidden and hit apply to unhide that. So that's how you can simply hide folders and files on Windows 11. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you pretty next time.